How to speed up and slow down your TikTok videos. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on this plus icon. With that, your camera will open up. Now you have to select the video that you want to speed up and slow down. You can shoot the video right now, or also you can upload it from the gallery. For now, I'm gonna upload video from the gallery. If you also want to do so, click on the option of upload. And with that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you have to select the video. After you land to this page, at the right corner you can find different options. Click on this drop down. Click on the option of edit. Again, click on edit. Click on the option speed. Now from here you can easily speed up and slow down your TikTok video. If you want to speed up your video, you can set it to 2x or 5x or 10x. This will increase the video speed as well as shorten your video. You can see that. Likewise, if you want to slow down your video, you can set it to 1x or 0.1x. You can set it below 1x. So this is how you can easily speed up and slow down your TikTok videos. You can see that. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.